Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing yet again another wig install, but this time it's going to be from Tinashe Hair. Ooh, I got the box upside down. From Tinashe Hair. This is the box that it came inside of. The hair that I'm going to be reviewing today or installing is going to be their loose deep wave hair in 20 inches. It's a 6x6 closure that I have in my head right now. So yeah, this is the little baggie that it came in, and inside of the bag, let me show you guys, it came with this wig cap, and it also came with this cute little headband tie. I'm doing everything upside down. This cute little headband tie that you guys can use to tie down your lace, and it also came with some cute lashes. In the rest of the video, I'll show you guys how I cut the lace, install it, and all that good stuff. Now, the pros and cons on this hair, honestly, I didn't really have that many cons. The only cons was that it did shed a little bit when I washed it. Just a tad, nothing too major or anything like that. And then I also wish the hair was just a tad, just a tiny bit thicker. Personally, me, I just like my wavy hair to be on the thicker side. Personally, that's just me. But other than that, I have nothing but good things to say about this hair. Obviously, since this is my first time wearing it, I'll give you guys a little bit of an update. But so far, so good. So yeah, for the rest of the video, I'll be showing you guys how I install it. And if you haven't already and you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and all the information on this hair will be linked down in the description box below. So let's get right into the install. Okay, it is on. We're just gonna go ahead and do a middle part, because I feel like with closures like this, like 6x6 closures, I don't know, they just don't be looking right as middle parts. Side parts. My bad. Yeah, they just don't be looking right as side parts. So we're just gonna do a little middle part right here. And this is, once again, a 6x6 closure, so the part goes pretty far. It goes all the way back here. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the lace. Let me give you guys a close-up of what the lace is looking like. I know some people like to glue their lace down and then cut it off, but personally me, I like to cut it off first and then glue it down. It's just easier for me to do it that way. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. I feel like the hairline still needs some more foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more because it's looking a little light to me, and that's not good. Okay, so I didn't really like this white part showing, so I went ahead and cut it off. I didn't like how that was showing. Okay, but the hairline looks a little bit better. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this side off too, because we don't want that white part right here showing. There we go. Ooh. I'm just trying to position it because I feel like it keeps sliding back, but the hairline, it looks okay. It looks okay. Once I glue it down, I feel like it'll look better. Yeah, and this is the natural wave of the hair. Kind of wish the hair was a little bit thicker, not gonna lie. This is how long the hair is on me, and it is 20 inches, so it comes almost mid-waist. But yeah, I don't know, the wig is looking a little just a tad thin. Just wish it was a tiny bit thicker, just a tad. but it's okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some got to be glue and glue it down. This is the hair. This is what it looks like when it is 90% dry. Yeah, thank you Tinashe for sending me this hair. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.